Hi, hello, and welcome. We are here to learn the particular quiz technique, what is called uh, quizzes.com. Hi, hello, and welcome. We will be learning an e-assessment tool, what is called quizzes.com today. Higher education getting lot of metamorphosis day by day in teaching learning. Since teaching learning is getting lot of metamorphosis day by day, the assessment also must be getting a periodical changes, but we don't concentrate on those assessment. Although the assessment is termed as a necessary evil of the examination process, but we have no other goal to classify or categorize the student. Uh, the assessment technique, you know pretty well that it is quite different from higher education to school education. But irrespective of school education and higher education, the single teacher cannot assess the students manually or face-to-face contact on all the way. But whereas in the context of technological platform, a single teacher can make an assessment of thousands and thousands of candidates at a time. So the web applications like e-assessment applications helping the teacher to go for that kind of process. So quizzes is one of the applications that we are going to see now. So quizzes is quizzz.com. So quizzes.com is, in order to go to the quizzes.com, you have to enter quizzes.com. Once you have entered by giving a quizzes, the new people will be asked to sign up by your Google account or by entering your Gmail account ID. So after these things, the page will be available readily like this. So there are 6 important tabs readily available for once the people who sign up. These 3 important tab is very much helpful to the teachers to administer the quiz program. But apart from all those things, the first and foremost the important thing is, if you want to create a quiz, now you have to give a name for this. For example, now I am giving a name for this particular quiz program is technology educational technology. Since our program is FTP, just I am placing this particular title under professional development subject. After choosing the subject, you can go for next. After going to the next, you will be directing so since I have made already the quiz in that particular name, it is asking like this. So let me go for special education or curriculum. Now let me go for curriculum, then professional development studies, go next. So once you have make a subject, now it has come. Now after getting these things, you can give some title, your image, everything you can add. So once you go to the new quiz.com, that new question, this quiz.com will allow you to type and manipulate a number of questions. By the getting options, new questions, there will be different options. For example, new question, curriculum curriculum means. To run, to go, to move here. So what you have typing here is typed here is a stem, and what you are typing here is an option, not option. There are distractors, because A should distract B, C, D, and B should distract A, C, D, like that. Each and everything must be a distractor to be ahead. After just typing these things, you have to go and choose what is a right option. A right option is to be highlighted, then you can go for save. After clicking a save, you will be redirected for the next question. So this is multiple choice, this is checkbox, this one fill in the blanks, like that. So the time also can be fixed. So minimum 5 seconds to maximum of 15 minutes time can be given to each questions. Like that, you can keep editing or adding the questions by getting a new question. Just I will be taking multiple choice question again. So like that, if you don't want, you can cancel and you can go there. After going these things, you can make a done activity, then put an exit. So what question you have prepared already will be readily available here. Once you have clicked here is finishing editing, then it will be readily available for launching a questions. Now I am just giving an exit. Now we will come here. Second option. Once the question is completed, now it is readily available in the tab called myquiz.com. myquiz.com. So what the curriculum which I prepared here is available now as a readyquiz.com. Then you can make a play. Before that, we will move to findquiz.com. What is find quiz? You do not have question. You don't have time to prepare question and administer quiz program. So what you will do? You will be depending on the questions which already been prepared by someone else from their account, which is uploaded in the quiz program. For example, the same curriculum I am typing. The same curriculum I am typing. By giving an enter, you will be getting a lot of quiz which already been prepared. For example, this question has already been played by 56 times. This has already been played by 18 times. Like that, while placing a cursor, you will be knowing how many number of questions, what are the questions, and what are the nature of questions, everything. So after choosing a particular quiz out of these things, I want to choose this particular quiz. So while placing this thing, here there is an option called play live. Apart from assigning homework, this is a customization of date and time in order to inform to the students well ahead. But this is a play live. While clicking a play live, that host, I mean that person who is administering quiz, will be served a code by 6-digit number. This is a 6-digit number. So by going by another website called, another platform called joinmyquiz.com, which is run by the Quizzes application itself, you can make an entry. For example, now let me go for joinmyquiz.com. You please ascertain he is a participant, and you please ascertain he is an administrator of the quiz. So what is a quiz digit? 649023. For example, if you want to share your group which already been prepared, by clicking just a start or share, you will be getting a lot of. So Google Classroom, many options are available to share that particular web link. For instance, if you are not in a position to send that web link, you can go for play live, directly go to continue. You will be giving the same questions. but you mind that every time the different applications will come. So this is joinmyquiz.com. So this is for joining a quiz. Joinmyquiz.com. Here I have to get the code. Two 14928. After going that, just you can make a join and click start game. By default, with your code, your name will be applied. Once you have joined, you can go to the administrator host. One people has joined. For instance, if 200 people have to join, a host can ensure that how many people have joined, how many yet to join, by the name, everything. After just they can click start. After just completing, after putting a start, a quiz program will be just starting like this. It goes ladder. So ladder wise, this is question wise. So how many people have completed the questions? Ladder means how many people have completed a quiz, like that it will be showing everything. This is to customize sound. This is to control sound. After clicking these things, you can go for end game. After going to end game, you can come back to the quizzes.com. This is the place what is called a report. Once you click the concept report tab, what quiz which already been prepared here. For example, what quiz which already I played, just curriculum and studies with many people. Here you can click download. After clicking a download, you will be getting a spreadsheet. I mean an Excel sheet will be automatically downloaded. This Excel sheet will help you to make an item analysis both class wise as well as student wise. For instance, let me open this report. So this is an item analysis. So question wise and as well as the number of player wise, everything. So there are two sheets. This is a class level and this is player level. Player level means, for example, 3 people have played, their score and what time they have attended a quiz and which devices they have used. Every details can be known. So this is how a report can be prepared. So after this thing, you can make a print also, otherwise you can come out of this. So this is like that. You can go for create quiz. After creating, automatically it will be stored in the myquizzes.com. Once you come to myquizzes.com, there are plenty number of questions which you prepared readily available. After clicking these things, play quiz with a team mode or classic mode. That code which served by 6 digits can be hosted to the participant and it can be played like this. So if you are not a host, if you want to join a quiz program only, directly